Today we will start with the next problem. Find the value of lambda. Find the value of lambda so that the following pairs of vectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay, in that first column, 7i minus 13j minus 16k and 9i plus lambda j plus 8. Okay, so this is the main question. Find the value of lambda so that the following pairs of vectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay, and this is the problem. So answer it. First we will denote it. Let a bar is equal to 7i minus 13j minus 16k and b bar is equal to 9i plus lambda j plus 8k. Okay. Plus 8k. Now here what is saying? They are perpendicular to each other. Given two vectors are perpendicular. This is perpendicular symbol. Okay. Given two vectors are perpendicular. That is a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. That is, what is a bar? 7i minus 13j minus 16k dot 9i plus lambda j plus 8k is equal to 0. So 7 into 9 plus minus 13 into lambda plus minus 16 into 8 is equal to 0. 9 7s are 63 minus 13 lambda minus 16 into 8 is about 8 6s are 48. 4 carry over 8 on the 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. So now from 63 minus 128 4 means how much? That is 128 minus 63. Okay. 65 minus 65. Minus 65 minus 13 lambda is equal to 0. Minus 65 is equal to 13 lambda. Therefore, lambda is equal to minus 65 divided by 13. That is 5. So, lambda value is minus 5. Okay. Next, we do another problem. Okay. 2i minus 5j 2i minus 5j plus lambda k and 6i plus 3j plus k. Okay. So answer again. We limit let a bar is equal to 2i 2I minus 5j plus lambda k and b bar is equal to 6I plus 3j plus k. Okay. So again, since given two vectors are perpendicular, given two vectors are perpendicular, that is a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. That is, what is a bar? 2I minus 5j plus lambda k dot b bar 6I plus 3j plus k is equal to 0. That is, okay. 2 into 6 plus minus 5 into 3 plus lambda into 1 is equal to 0. 6 to 12 minus 15 plus lambda is equal to 0. 12 minus 15 is how much? Minus 3 plus lambda is equal to 0. That is minus 3 is equal to minus lambda. Therefore, lambda is equal to 3. This is the answer. Okay. So next question we will find the cosine of the angle between the following pairs. Okay. Just you can go through it. Okay, now I will rub the board. Find the cosine of the angle between the following pairs of vectors, between the following pairs of vectors. Okay, under that first problem, I plus j plus k and 2I plus 3j minus 4k, I plus 3j minus 4k. Okay, first one will do, we will name it. Let a bar is equal to I plus j plus k and b bar is equal to 2I plus 3j minus 4k. Okay. So question asks you what? Find the cosine. We'll say here, since a bar dot b bar is equal to mod a bar mod b bar cos theta. Okay, we know this. Therefore, what is cos theta? A bar dot b bar divided by mod a bar mod b bar. Name it as equation 1. This we are going to find out. So to get cos theta, we will find out a bar dot b bar first. A bar dot b bar. What is a bar? I plus j plus k dot 2I plus 3j minus 4k. 1 into 2. Coefficient of I is 1 here and coefficient of I is 2 here. 1 into 2 plus sign. J is 1 here. Here it is 3 plus again 1, here it is minus 4. what we get? 2 ones are 2 plus 3 minus 4. That is 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, we got a bar or b bar. Next we will find out mod a bar. Mod a bar is now square root of. Okay, a bar is this na 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. It is equal to what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is root 3. Okay. Next we will find out mod b bar. Mod b bar is what? 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 4 square is equal to 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, then plus minus 4 whole square is what? 16. So how much it is? 16 plus 4, 20, 29. Okay. Then from 1 we will say, from 1 cos theta is equal to, what is cos theta? 1 upon root 29. 1 upon root 29. This is done. Okay. 2 plus 3, fourth question. Sorry, 1 upon root 29 into root 3 is not. 1 minute, because I'll write it here next. From 1, cos theta is equal to, okay, from 1 cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar. What I have got? A bar dot b bar 1. I'll write 1 divided by square root, that is mod a bar. Mod a bar is root 3 and mod b bar is root 29. Okay, if you multiply 3 9s are 27, to carry forward 3 to the 6 plus 2, 87, 1 upon 87. So find the cosine of the angle, that is cos theta is 1 upon square root of root 87. Got it? Next problem. 3i minus 2j 3i minus 2j 3i minus 2j plus k and 5i minus j minus 2k. Okay, what we will do again, we will say let a bar is equal to b bar is equal to 5i minus j minus 2k. So again, since a bar dot b bar is equal to mod a bar mod b bar cos theta, therefore what is cos theta? Cos theta is a bar dot b bar divided by mod a bar mod b bar. I think this is equation number 1. Okay, then we will find out a bar dot b bar. What is a bar? 3i minus 2j plus k dot 5i minus j minus 2k. That is 3 into 5. Okay, plus sign always here, coefficient of j is minus 2. Minus 2 in bracket into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 2. So what we get? 3 5 is 15. Then minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, it will be plus 2. Then 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus into plus is minus. Okay, so plus and minus cancels. It is 15. Now we will plus minus 2 square. 5 square is 25 plus 1 plus 4. That is root 30. Okay. So therefore, from 1, cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar is what? 15 divided by root 14 into root 30. This much you can give the answer. Okay. 15 upon square root of 14 into square root of 30. Next we will find the projection of a bar on B. So two problems I have done it. Next will be question number 3. If you want you can go through it, then we will run it. Okay, now next question number 3. Find the projection of a bar on B1. Find the projection of a bar on B1. Okay, first question here. He has given directly a bar. A bar is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 5k and b bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k. Okay, so answer. What is the formula? Projection of a bar on b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by mod b bar. Okay, so first we will find out a bar dot b bar. 2i plus 3j plus 5k dot 2i minus j plus 2k. 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 5 into 2. 2 to the 4 minus 3, 5 to the 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 minus 3 is 11. Okay, then we will find out mod b bar. What is mod b bar? Mod b bar is square root of 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square. 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is 8, 9. Root 9 is nothing but 3. Okay, therefore projection of a bar on b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar is what? 11 divided by this answer. 11 upon 3 is the answer. 11 upon 3. Okay, we'll do another problem. Second one. B bar is equal to 7i plus 2j. 7i plus 2j minus 3k. And b bar is equal to 4i minus 5j plus 3. Okay, so same way projection of a bar on b bar you want. What we'll do first, we'll find out a bar dot b bar. Question is same, only a bar and b bar are changing. bar dot b bar dot 4i minus 5j plus 8 7 into 4 plus 2 into minus 5 plus minus 3 into 1 7 4s are 28 minus 10 minus 3 so 28 minus 13 8 minus 3 is 5 2 minus 5 15 okay next we'll find out mod b bar is what 4 square plus minus 5 whole square plus 1 square that is 16 plus 25 plus 1 25 26 32 42 okay so therefore projection of a bar on b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by mod b bar is nothing but 15 upon square root of 42 15 upon square root of 42 okay so this was the problem on projection of a bar on b bar. Next one more will do. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. If a bar is equal to I plus 3j minus 5k 5k b bar is equal to I plus 4j plus 2k c bar is equal to 6i minus 3j minus k 6i minus 3j minus k okay if a bar is equal to 2i plus 3j minus 5k b bar is equal to I plus 4j plus 2k and c bar is equal to 6i minus 3j minus k verify what do you want to verify a bar dot b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar okay so what we'll do we will find out b bar plus c bar first then we will find out a bar dot b bar plus c bar that is will be my LHS equation 1 then this will find separately this will find separately and then we will add it okay both should be same so we will say consider okay here answer I correct consider what is b bar plus c bar what is b bar I plus 4j plus 2k plus c bar 6i minus 3j minus k what will get here I plus 6i is 7i plus 4 minus 3j is plus j plus 2k minus k is plus k I got this much then I will say LHS what is LHS a bar dot b bar plus C bar. What is A bar? 2I plus 3j minus 5j dot B bar plus C bar is what? 7I plus j plus k is equal to 2 into 7, okay, plus 3 into 1 minus 5 into 1. So what answer you get? 2 sevens are 14, 3 ones are 3 minus 5. 14 plus 3 is 17 minus 5 is 12. I'll leave this as equation number 1. Okay. Then I will find out separately A bar dot B bar. I will find out A bar dot B bar. What is A bar? 2I plus 3j minus 5j dot B bar is what? I plus 4j plus 2k. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 4 plus minus 5 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 12 minus 10. 12 plus 2 is 14 minus 10 is 4. Okay. Next I will find out A bar dot C bar. A bar dot C bar is what? 2I plus 3j minus 5j dot C bar is 6I minus 3j minus k. 2 into 6 plus 3 into minus 3 plus minus 5 into minus 1. 2 3s are 12 minus 9 plus 5. So 2 minus 9 is how much? 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Something is gone wrong. B bar dot C bar. 2 6 are 12 minus 9. Getting 8 4s are 32. No, sorry, 8 plus 4 is 12. No, correct. 2 minus 9 is 3, 8. Okay, now therefore I say what is RHS? RHS is A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Equation number 2. Okay. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2 here. From 1 and 2 both are 12. Huh? So it is verified. So from 1 and 2 it is verified. From 1 and 2 it is verified. Okay. That's all. Now another problem we'll do. Then we'll go to vector product. Vector product is called as cross product. If mod a bar is equal to 8, mod b bar is equal to 11. Mod b bar is equal to 11 and mod a bar plus b bar. Mod a bar plus b bar is equal to 15. Find a bar, mod a bar minus b bar. Find mod a bar minus b bar. So how to find out? What we will do? We will say consider mod a bar plus b bar whole square. Okay, that will become what? Mod a bar square plus mod b bar square plus mod a bar mod b bar. Okay, how we know a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. That way it is. Okay, now that is mod a bar plus b bar is given as 15 square will do. Then mod a square is what? 8 square 11 square plus mod will go. A bar dot b bar will come. So 15 square is 25. 64 plus 11 square is 121. So 225 plus is equal to 121, 125, 185. So 225 minus 185 is equal to 2 into mod a bar dot b bar. 225 minus 185 come up, 5 will go 0. From 2 8 goes means 12, 8 goes 4, 140. 140. 225 minus 185, 185 90, yeah 15, 42. Okay, 185, 90, 200, 225, that is 25 plus 15, 30, 40. This much I found out, but my question is what he wants this. So what I do, same way I write mod a bar minus mod b bar whole square will be what? You plus add it again, I write this with minus. Mod a square plus mod b square. Here it is minus, that's why it will become minus 2 mod a bar mod b bar. Okay, now we don't know this. Mod a bar is what? 8 square. B bar is 11 square. Minus 2 mod a bar dot b bar. Plus 121. Okay, minus now 2 a bar dot b bar got 40. I'll put here minus 40. So what I'll get? 64 plus 121, 121, 125, 185. 185 minus 40. Okay, 185 minus 40 is how much? For you, 18 minus 4 is 14, 145. Okay, then answer will be what? Square root of 145. Therefore, mod a bar minus b bar only. This was whole square, it is only this one. This is square root of 145. Okay, now next is vector product. Also it is called as cross product. You can go through it, then I will consider. So what I have done, he has given this, that's why I will consider squaring. A plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So whatever values I have put it, I got 2ab, 40. Next question asked is what? A minus b. Same way. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square we don't know. A we know b. This also I know from here 40. That 40 I have done. So it has become 185 minus 40 is 145. So therefore A minus b is square root of 145. Okay. Next is vector product or cross product. In bracket cross product. Vector product or cross product. Let A bar and B bar be any two vectors. Let A bar and B bar be any two vectors. Be any two vectors, and theta be the angle between them, and theta be the angle between them, and theta be the angle between them. Okay, then vector product of A bar and B bar, then vector product of A bar and B bar, vector product of A bar and B bar, return A bar plus B bar return A bar multiplied by B bar, that is cross, is defined to be the vector, is defined to be the vector full stop, to be the vector full stop. Formula says mod A, that is A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar mod B bar. Okay, mod A bar mod B bar sin theta into n cap, sin theta into n cap, where n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar, where n cap is the unit vector, perpendicular to, where n cap is unit vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. to both A bar and B bar, to both A bar and B bar such that A bar comma B bar and N cap form a right angle triangle, form a right handed system, form a right handed system. Okay, we go through it. In 5 minutes time we will start this one. Okay. So now again we will write properties. So this is the formula: A bar cross B bar is equal to mod A bar mod B bar sin theta into n theta. Okay. Now properties will write one by one. Properties. The first one is A bar cross B bar. See, in dot product it was there A bar dot B bar is equal to B bar dot A bar. It was one and the same. But in A bar cross B bar, if you change the things, minus sign will come outside. Minus B bar cross A bar. Okay. Second one. Now Clearly the unit vector, second one, clearly the unit vector, clearly the unit vector n cap perpendicular to the plane of the vectors, perpendicular to the plane of the vectors, perpendicular to the plane of vectors, perpendicular to the plane of vectors, a bar and b bar, a bar and b bar, a bar and b bar, a bar and b bar is given by n cap is equal to a bar cross b bar divided by mod a bar cross b bar. Clearly the unit vector n cap perpendicular to the plane of the vectors a bar and b bar is given by n cap is equal to a bar cross b bar divided by mod a bar cross b bar. Okay, that is the second one. Now third one, with the help of this one we will write theta is the angle between the vectors there. Otherwise we will continue only with the second one, saying if theta is the angle between the vectors, if theta is the angle between the vectors, then sin theta is equal to, okay, theta is the angle between the vectors, then sin theta is equal to mod a bar plus b bar, mod a bar plus b bar divided by mod a bar mod b bar. Okay, that is the formula. Sin theta is equal to mod a bar cross b bar. Sin theta is equal to mod a bar cross b bar divided by mod a bar mod b bar. Okay, that is sin theta. Next, third one, clearly a bar cross a bar, clearly a bar cross a bar is equal to 0. So based on that, a bar cross a bar is equal to 0 because I have given in the formula na, a bar cross b bar is equal to what was the formula, mod a bar mod b bar sin theta. Okay, now both are same means they are parallel. Okay, they are RHS square, what it will come, mod a bar that is 1 sin 0 is 0, that's why it is a bar cross b bar is equal to 0. Based on this we are going to say that hence I cross I is equal to j cross j is equal to k cross k is equal to 0. But whereas in dot product I dot I is equal to j dot j is equal to k dot k cross 1. But here I cross I is equal to j cross j is equal to k cross k is equal to 0. It is. Got it? Then fourth one, consider I cross j is equal to mod I mod j, because they are separate, they are both are different, that's why 90 degree will come and n cap will be replaced by k. Okay, sin and what will come up, therefore I cross j mod Similarly, based on this, if you go cyclic order, similarly I cross j, okay, j cross k is equal to I, and I cyclic order I j k is over, okay. Now I to j is k, then j into k is I. Now next remaining is what? Third one, k into I, k and k into I is equal to j. See here, I into j is k, okay. After that j into k is I, okay. After that k into I is j. So that way we get it. If you do ulta, you will get minus. That is j cross I is equal to minus k, comma k cross j is equal to minus I, and I cross k is equal to minus j. Okay. Next, now when the vectors are given, how to write A cross B, A bar cross B bar. Okay. Fifth one, if A bar is equal to A1I plus A2j plus A3k, and B bar is equal to B1I plus B2j plus B3k, okay, then I am writing directly the formula. Then A bar cross B bar is equal to, become determinant. Already I have got determinant. First row will be ijk, second row will be contents of A. Coefficient of I is what? A1. Coefficient of j is A2. Coefficient of k is A3. Then third row will be what? B. I is B1. Coefficient of j is B2. K is B3. This way you get it. So you are going to find out determinant here. A bar cross B bar. Whereas A dot B was very easy here in dot product. Okay. Now next, sixth one, right? Sixth property. That is very important. Area of parallelogram. Where 5 marks only will come on that. Area of parallelogram. Okay. Sixth point is, if the vectors A bar and B bar are adjacent sides. If the vecters A bar and B bar are adjacent sides, of a parallelogram, adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then area of parallelogram is, area of parallelogram is what? A bar cross B bar, mod A bar cross B bar. This is the formula. Then area of parallelogram is mod A bar cross B bar. Okay, that's all. So now we will be doing the problems on this. That will be the end of your unit 1. Okay. Just go through it.